Hello, my name is Jacob Wilson. I graduated from Monmouth College in 2015, majoring in exercise science. Then went on to St. Ambrose University and got my Doctor of Physical Therapy degree, and I'm currently a traveling physical therapist. The learning principle that stood out to me was number 6, learning requires humility. So I've really come to appreciate that in my first few years in my career. Some of the most effective coworkers and leaders I've been around are people who do not hesitate to admit when they have a gap in knowledge, or if there's something they're not an expert on. They will reach out to anyone to improve their knowledge in that area, and that requires humility. And there's a lot of people who have a hard time doing that. But in order to grow, personally, professionally, you have to acknowledge and be aware of your areas you're weak in, areas that you don't have the most knowledge in. And I think having that humility and that awareness will take you a long way, and it's required really to be a lifelong learner. So thank you.